Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best RJ45 crimping tool. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, AMPCOM. AMPCOM multifunction as crimp tool, lets you cut, strip and crimp and telephone cables. Compatible with all RJ45 Cat 6 pass-through connectors, RJ45 Cat 5e connectors, and RJ11 or 12 connectors. Precision crimping dies was made of high-carbon steel for any Ethernet or telephone cable. Die head assembly provides 360 degrees of connector support for terminating modular plugs on stranded or solid cable. Ratchet safety release on crimping, cutting and stripping knives reduce risk of injury. Textured handle grips reduce hand fatigue and prevent slipping during cutting, stripping and crimping. Sharp blades help you cut easily in different scenarios. Textured handle grips reduce hand fatigue and prevent slipping. Suitable for data and voice Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6 modular plugs. Reliable RJ45 as crimper with steel body for durability with ergonomic comfort grips. The sharp blades help you perfect cut excess wire. Number 4. Brand name, ZoeRax. All-in-one crimp tool, it integrates the functions of cutting, stripping and crimping. Even if you are a novice, you can also complete the installation work like a professional. Replacement blade. Other crimper blade is only fixed on the surface of the crimping port with nails. It is easy to run off when crimping cable or after replacing the blade, making the tangent not neat. But the crimping port of our pliers has a special notch for fixing the blade. It is wrapped with a black clip firstly and then fixed with nails. Ensure that the blade will not run off the track. Crimper frame is made of high-quality tool steel, corrosion-resistant and heavy-duty. Ergonomic design and textured non-slip crimper handle is for firm control and force saving. Significantly improve your working efficiency and increases the pass rate of each connector. Widely compatible with of 8P8C Ethernet and 6P4C, 6P6C, 6P2C telephone modular plugs. Ratchet safety release and a blade guard ensure that each crimp is precise, safe and comfortable. Easily cut 4 pairs of twisted pair copper wires at one time. You can lock and save the crimper when you are not using it. Non-slip handle reduce hand fatigue and prevent slipping during stripping and crimping. Trims flush to end face of connector to eliminate unintended contact between conductors. The blades of other crimp tool are only fixed on the surface with a nail, so that they are always not neatly cut when crimping and cutting, but our blades completely avoid this problem. The blade is first fixed by the black clip, and then fixed in the slot of the blade with a nail to avoid deviation during crimping. Industrial precision molds, laser milling groove processing, tooth pitch deep, tooth width, accuracy close to wire. Number 3. Brand name, OULLX. Through hole crystal head and 7 types of crystal head crimping, suitable for 8P or 6P crystal head. The tool head is made of high hardness and precision material, which is light and convenient to carry, durable, and has a long service life. The external dimensions of the crimped wire are consistent with the crystal head, which is not prone to misalignment and can better make the connection between the twisted pair and the crystal head firm. The handle is made of special soft rubber material, which is non-slip and comfortable to use. Compact, ergonomic design for natural, single-hand operation. About 40% smaller than other crimpers for easy storage. Heavy-duty ratchet ensures complete termination. Direct lateral crimp action provides more even, Precise contact termination across all pins. Quick reference connector wiring diagrams provided on the tool and downloadable to your mobile device. Pass-through crimper provides fast, reliable modular crimp connector installation for voice and data applications. RJ45 Crimping tool is also suitable for shielded modular plugs to crimper the metal dovetail clips, especially for pass-through dovetail modular plugs. Crimper frame is made of high-carbon steel, corrosion-resistant and heavy-duty. Number 2. Brand name, AMPCOM. This multifunctional crimping tool is ideal for crimping, cutting, stripping Ethernet and telephone RJ45, RJ11, RJ12 and RJ22 modular plug. Significantly improve your working efficiency and increases the pass rate of each connector. Widely compatible with AV8P8C Ethernet and 6P4C, 6P6C, 6P4C, 6P2C telephone modular plugs. Crimper frame is made of high-quality tool steel, corrosion-resistant and heavy-duty. Ergonomic design and textured non-slip crimper handle is for firm control and force saving. Ratchet safety release and a blade guard ensure that each crimp is precise, safe and comfortable. This user-friendly device works with any Ethernet or telephone cable. Punch-down stripper wire jacket cutter made of high-quality SK manganese steel 110 blade, sharp wear, stripping easy and accurate. And it does not hurt wire core. Thick lines. Thin lines can be easily stripped. Skin, durable, durably made from steel and finished in black oxide for high performance. It provides fast, reliable modular crimp connector installation for voice and data applications. Number 1. Brand name, ZoeRax. The compact size fits in any pocket, tool pouch and chest. Recoil spring-loaded ergonomic mat handle returns tool to ready position upon cycle completion. Helps you save time and effort. Switch from Cat 7 to Cat 5 crimping by using a screwdriver to loosen, then switch up or down to change the compression mode. Enables you to crimp both shielded Cat 6A connectors as well as standard RJ45 connectors. The Cat 7 mode stands for Cat 7 shielded plugs crimping. Cat 5 mode stands for Cat 5V and Cat 6 plugs crimping. It integrates the functions of cutting, stripping and crimping. Even if you are a novice, you can also complete the installation work like a professional. It is wrapped with a black clip firstly and then fixed with nails. Ensure that the blade will not run off the track. Specially designed for Cat 6A Cat 7 shielded connectors, and even crimp the metal clip on the plugs.